So students, after complete exercise 6th A, we will do the exercise 6th B. Before we will do exercise 6th B, in this exercise we will learn multiply by a 2-digit number. So in this exercise we will learn how to do multiplication by a 2-digit number. So 6th B, take out your notebook and book to do the exercise 6th B. So multiply. Question 1. In question 1, A, B, C, D, E question are given here. So first of all we will do the question A of question 1. So part A of question 1 is 83 multiplied by 17. So in notebook we will write the exercise 6th B as heading and underline this heading, and we will write multiply. Question 1A, 83 multiplied by 17. Students, first of all you have to know to write the each digit in each box, separate box, like this way: 83 multiplied by 17. Now how to do multiple we will learn. First of all we will start this side. So 17 multiplied by 83. So we will do multiply by 1. So first of all we will do multiply 7 into 3, then 7 into 8. After this multiple 83 multiplied by 7, then we will multiply 1 into 3, then 1 into 8. It means 1 multiplied by 83, and then will be add. So our multiplication is done. So we will solve. So first of all we will do multiply 7 into 3. 7 3 are 21. We will write here 1 from 21, and 2 will be carry on 8. Now we will multiply 7 and 8. 7 8 are 56, and 2 58. So we will write 58. Now 7 into 83 is done. Now we will do multiply 1 into 3 and 8. So before we will do 1 into 83, we will write here into 1 cross, and now we will multiply 1 into 3. 1 3 is 3, and now 1 into 8. 1 8 is 8. Now we will add 1, 8 and 3 11. We will write here 1 from 11, and 1 will be carry. 5 and 1 6, and 8 14. So 1411 our answer. It will be the answer. 83 and 17 multiply is equal to 1411. Now question B, 97 multiply by 56. So same as we will do multiply 6 into 7, then 6 into 9. So we will start 6 into 7. 6 7 is 42. We will write here 2 from 42, and 4 will be carry on 9. Then we will multiply 6 into 9. 6 9 is 54, and 4 as carry we will add 54 and 4 58. We will write here 58. Now we will write here cross. Then we will do multiply 5 into 7. 5 7 is 35. We will write here 5 from 35, and 3 will be carry on 9. 5 9 is 45, and 3 48. Now we will add 2, 8 and 5 13. We will write here 3 from 13, and 1 will be carry. 5 and 1 6, and 8 14. We will write here 4 from 14, and 1 will be carry. 4 and 1 5, and 5. So 5432 will be the answer. Now question C, 864 multiply by 43. So we will do multiply like this, same as question A and B. So the answer will be 37,152. Now question D, 739 multiply by 59. So the answer will be 43,601. Question E, 2,468 multiply by 25. So the answer will be 61,700. I hope you will be understand how to do multiplication by a 2-digit number. Now question 2, Question 2, A, B, C, D, E part are given here. So we will do question 2 in notebook. In question 2, the A part of question 2 is 32 multiplied by 12. We will write the question in separate column like this. Then we will multiply same as we have to do. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Now we will write the 1 cross here. Then we will multiply 1 2 ja 2 and 1 3 ja 3. Now we will add 4, 6 and 2, 8 and 3. So 384 will be the answer. Question B, 12 multiplied by 14, same as 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. So here we will write 1 cross, 1 2 ja 2 and 1 1 ja 1. Now we will be add 8, 4 and 2, 6 and 1. 168 will be the answer. Question C, 60 multiplied by 16. So first we will do multiply 6 and 0 and 6 and 6. So 6 multiplied by 0, it will be 0, because we know very well when we do multiply a number into 0, it will be the 0. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36. Now we will write here 1 cross and then we will multiply 1 into 0. So we know very well when we do multiply number into 0, so the 0 will become 1 0 is a 0, 1 6 is a 6. So now we will add 0, 6 and 3 and 6, 9. 960 will be the answer as product of 60 multiplied by 16. Question D, 41 multiplied by 18. When we do multiply, it will be 738 as the answer. Question E, 79 multiplied by 17. So it will be 1343 as the answer. So students, after question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 and question 7 you will do yourself. The remaining question after question 2 you will do yourself. Exercise 6b. In this exercise you will do multiply all the numbers, so you can do easily. One thing you will be you have to remember, when we do multiply, you will do multiply in separate column. You will write that all the digits, all the numbers into separate column like this way. So students, you will do yourself exercise 6b. Thank you.